Okay. Hello, everyone. Sorry, my microphone is mute mode. It's interesting. Okay, we have a problem. Nearly 3 minutes. I am talking, only me. Okay, wait me. I will. We have a problem in Olern. Okay, I am starting in first slide. In this semester, we will design a mechatronic system. We have a two option. One of them hardware, another one software. Maybe we can say last thing as a simulation and simulator. In this course, we have a face-to-face online class, so we will develop online robotic system. Actually, autonomous vehicle, autonomous drones, autonomous robotic arm, etc. Generally, company use robotic operating system. What's the robotic operating system? Today, we will start with the introduction to robotic operating system. After that, this week, I will give you your project for this semester. Today, I will be upload because we have no exam in this course. I decided it. We have no midterm. We have no final exam. Okay, don't forget it. I will give you individual project in robotic operating system. You will use gazebo simulator. You will design autonomous robots as a online, and the last 2 weeks you will present your robotic operating system software. Okay, what is the robotic operating system? First question. Robotic operating system, a framework, actually, a framework for building robot application, allows developers to assemble a complex system by connecting existing solution for small problems. Uh, it's very easy method because the robot operating system is not an actual operating system, but a framework and a set of tools that provide functionality of an operating system on a heterogeneous computer cluster. Its usefulness is not limited to robots. but the majority of tools provided are focused on working with peripheral hardware. Actually, it's a open source library. It has an open source library. Ros is split up in more than 2,000 packages. Each packages each package providing special functionality. Actually, the number of tools connected to the framework are probably its biggest power, its robotic operating system. In the world, nearly all engineering students, engineer, BMW engineer, also Tesla engineer use robotic operating system. They generate their open source library and they upload to the GitHub system. Students use them as a open software. And second question, why should I use robotic operating system? Actually, ROS provides functionality for hardware abstraction, device drivers, communication between process. For example, you can imagine an autonomous vehicle. In autonomous vehicle, we have lots of sensors. One of them LiDAR, camera, radar, IMU, also GPS, GNSS, also another type, any maybe some measurement sensor, etc. In the real world, they are very expensive, also very hard build up process. In the ROS system, you can try your multiple machine tool for testing and visualization. Okay, the key feature of the robotic operating system is the way the software is run and the way it communicates, allowing you to design complex software without knowing how certain hardware works. ROS provides a way to connect a network of process. Process is meaning nodes with a central hub. Nodes can be run on multiple devices and they connect to that hub in various ways. Okay, after that, your actually your project, term project, I need to say again, we have no exam in this course. You will develop a robot in this course in robotic operating system. Okay. After class, you need to start to learn robotic operating system. Download it, install it, and check it. Okay. I will upload your project probably today. Also, I will upload all courses documents. Actually, before this course, they are not important because ROS is important for us. Okay, so the main ways of creating the network are providing requestable services or defining publisher subscriber connection with other nodes. Both methods communicate via specified message type. In this course, we will learn this philosophy. Next 4 or 5 weeks, we will learn ROS. After that, we will build an example project. After that, you will present your own robotic operating system robots. Okay. In the mechatronic system design, developers can assemble, a complex systems by connecting existing solution for small problems. The way the system is implemented, it allows us to replace components with similar interface on the fly, removing the need of stopping the system various. What's the meaning of that? 63. Dear Omar, please check your comment. Okay. Okay. Uh, In the robotic operating system, another thing, multiplexing outputs of multiple components into one input for another component, allowing parallel solving of various problems. And then, next one, connect components made in various programming languages by just implementing the proper connectors to the messaging system. Also creating nodes or a network of devices. Also directly connect to feeds on demand from remote hardware without writing any extra code by employing the previous points. Okay, firstly we will start the main language. The main language of writing Ros code, you need to know C++ and Python, C++ being preferred due to the better performance. I will explain in our examples in Python due to less boilerplate in code and no need for explicit building. First thing, installation and configuration. Okay. What's the installation method of ROS? ROS versions are referred to by name. As of this date, the latest release, I suppose that Jade Turtle and the latest LTS version Indigo. We will go through the installation process for Ubuntu 14.04 on desktop. You will install Ubuntu to your computer. Okay, you need to install Ubuntu. The process for all supported version and platform are available on official website. What's the official website of the ROS? wiki.ros.org. Okay, wiki.ros.org. You can download from here your installation package. Also, you can use virtual machine with ROS installed are also available. For example, you have a Microsoft Windows 10 and 11th version. You can use virtual machine. There are lots of virtual machine in the internet for Windows. Okay. Installation is platform dependent, but the workspace configuration is the same for all platform actually. Don't forget it. ROS provides its own repositories. The first step is adding them. In this site, this is the ROS core, ROS node, Ros topic. Maybe firstly I show you configuration. Wait me. Next slide. Share files. Okay. First thing, installation of Ubuntu. Okay. You download the Ubuntu. Okay. Ubuntu or virtual software. First thing. Next one, installation Ros on Ubuntu. You will make it to the next week. Okay. Ros, don't forget it. Ros provides its own repository. First thing, uh, where is it? Yes, here. Sudo echo. You can see it the last page. Sudo SHCECHO. Okay. After that, you will have all hosted packages for all ROS versions available for your Ubuntu version. For example, Ubuntu 14.04 supports Indigo and Jade. Installing the base packages on desktop has one of the three options. One of them ROS Indigo, ROS Base. In the here, maybe we can see installing software, ROS update, maybe in the last page. Yes, maybe we can go step by step. We download the Ubuntu and then copy and paste the following into terminal. Yes, you can write firstly to terminal sudo apt-get update. You will update the all packages. After that, ROS Groovy desktop full. You will add your basic additional GUI and also for having all official feature. If you can write the sudo apt-get install ROS Groovy or Indigo or etc. desktop full. It's meaning that for having all official feature, including various simulator and library for navigation and perception. For the best working experience, the full option is recommended actually. I think you need to download all packages. You will install all packages. It's my recommendation for installation on devices that will only be used to run nodes. The base version is sufficient. No matter what option you choose, you can install any needed package name by running. Okay, it's very important shape package slash name. If you want to, maybe here we can see here yes, no. Okay, and then update is important because your firmware will be updated. After the finished the running of the update, you will write echo source optros groovy setup bash rc. What's the meaning of it? ROS has several environment variables used by its tool. With the default installation, the bash script to initialize them is located with this code, last code on your screen. Variable needs to be initialized within every bash session. So the best solution is to add them to /bash rc. And also some package install external dependency via ROS install, which is available as a package and installed via sudo apt-get install python ROS install, like the seventh step here. This is the end of the installation on Ubuntu. Okay, we can work together. First thing, we will download Ubuntu. Step by step, we can go together. First thing, installation and configuration. Okay, we will download Ubuntu. For example, 14.40 or 04, for example. Where you can download from official website of Ros. What is the official website? ros.org. Maybe we can share screen. We have no option. Share screen. Share now. Share application screen. Yes. Pencere. Ros installation guide. Yes. Please open in your computer now. Okay. Everybody open the Chrome page. Please write this link. I will send you comment screen. wiki.ros.org/indigo installation. Here, after opening this page, you can see Indigo installation instruction. This is our web page. If you click the ros.org, you can see all documentation about the ROS, Turkish, English, etc. Okay. Here, everybody open it. Please send me yes, 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 no, no, no. Okay. Everybody? Okay, thank you. Now, click this second link firstly. Okay, thank you. Click this second link firstly. Only wiki.ros.org. You can see documentation. Okay. After that, we can start with the introduction, install, getting started. Please check it. Click introduction. To do next Monday, okay, 3 days later, we have another course, you know, on the morning. Every student needs to know what is ROS, what is goal, operating system, release, contributing, next. It's a classical introduction. Now, what's the importance? Installation. Everybody needs to finish installation step. I check installation page. Here I saw ROS installation option, ROS installation. If you follow the commands, probably you will download the ROS and you will finish the installation process. Okay, I am waiting from you, all students, please install Ubuntu and ROS. Okay, Ubuntu and ROS. I check after that getting started. Maybe if you have a time, probably you have a time, please please read the learning of ROS, finding code section, GitHub, etc. I think everything is clear. Maybe you can help from the YouTube. We have several videos on YouTube. They are very learning type. Please check it. Maybe you can start the develop robot to do next Monday. We have no problem about it. I will give you homework, project on ROS. So ROS is important, are all mechatronic design. Okay. Now I am checking. Wait me. I closed the installation process. I open next slide. Now we can continue with the, I think it's clear. First question. Everything is clear. Installation Ubuntu, installation Ros, download Ubuntu, download Ros, and if you have a Microsoft computer, you will download virtual Ros. Okay. Some students come to my office. I have a no Ubuntu computer, Linux computer. First thing, you will use your computer one core, Microsoft Office, next core, Ubuntu. We have no problem about it. If you have no laptop, if you have no computer, please write me. Okay? Maybe we can solve his or her problem another project. Now, we can continue with the advanced introduction level. After the what is the roast, we learn the roast, history of roast. It's classical. Actually, it is originally developed in ROS 2007 at the Stanford Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. Also today used by many robots, universities, and companies. For example, most advanced autonomous vehicle in the world controlled by robotic operating system. Okay, so this is very important for us. Now we can start with the first command, workspace environment. I am checking my notes. Yes. No. ROS workspace environment. Okay. I say something about the ROS workspace environment. We can start with the ROS master. Yes. I am opening to my operating system, so wait me. One important element is ROS master actually from this managers the communication between your nodes. So I start up when a node comes up with your master. Master make sure that all the nodes can communicate with each other. You can start to control the rows, which is the simply score for score has multiple elements. Which one of which is the road master, rows master. It rows knows essentially program from your PC, single purpose exceptional. Here you can see we have some nodes in the ROS operating system. We can organize in a package in the robotic operating system using ROS master. You can compile them, individual runs, and manage them. And those are blocks of your program. These nodes are organized and packages, or whenever need a package name. It's essentially the name of the package containing there you can have multiple nodes. You see how here in the example rows master each individual node needs. For example, in the screen we have two nodes, node 1 and node 2. Here run a node command, rows run package name and node name. You will use lots of time. Rows run, package name, node name. We will assign a package name. We will assign a node name. Here node 1 and node 2. We have registration to the rows master. Also, rows node, if you want to list all nodes, rows node list command in Linux, Ubuntu. Also, next one, rows node info node name. These are our three popular commands in the Ubuntu. If you want to take a more info, you can check everything are available on the wikiros.org/rosnode. Okay. Also, these nodes register the Ros master. These roads register the Ros master. Enables communication to run modem. You will use to turn the exercise type in Ros run, then the package name and the name of your executable once you have done. That you can look at the list of all programs that run by typing in Ros node, list which lists your other active. Awesome if you need further information. Okay, in the next slide, we can see Ros Topics. Here, Ros nodes. Our first check, Ros nodes. Next check, Ros Topics. In the Ros Topics, nodes are communicate over topics. Here we have a node, one of them publisher, one of them subscriber. And also we have a topic and Ros master. Nodes can publish or subscribe to a topic. It's important. Typically, you can see one publisher and subscriber. Here we have a three popular command: Ros topic space list, Ros topic echo / topic, Ros topic info topic. You will use these commands every time because they are very generic commands. To do next Monday, after your download and installation, please check these commands. This is very popular commands. Okay. Also, next one, messages. You can write any message to the next Monday. We have two commands here. Ros topic type / topic, Ros topic publish, topic type and data. Next two commands. We have now 8 commands. For example, we have here Ros messages. Also notelet. Okay. I think your homework is ready to the next Monday. We have a free time. Please download the Ubuntu today. I am waiting your screenshot to do this night. Okay. Now we have a free time. I will finish the course now. But I am waiting your screenshot as an email. Okay. Do you have any question? I am waiting from you. Download Ubuntu, download Ros, install Ubuntu, install Ros, and send me a screenshot on your computer a message subscription. Okay. Do you have any question? I'm waiting this night. But it's very important because next week on Monday we are starting to advanced section of the Ros. Okay, thank you for your attendance today. Okay, I will upload the course file, but it's important. I am waiting from you screenshot. Okay, it's very important for me. It's a very grading criteria for me. We have how many students now? 11 students. Actually, this class 60 or 70 students. Please say your friends. This is very important grading criteria. Also, next one, we have no midterm and final exam in the mechatronic system design. I will give you project, a very big project in the robotic operating system. I will upload your definition of the term project. Please check your OLearn. Okay. Thank you. See you next Monday, Lero. I am waiting your screenshot. See you.